Hello dear students, today we will learn about the addition of like fractions. Okay, addition of like fractions. How can we add like fractions? It's very easy. Okay, very easy one. So what is like fractions? Like fractions means they're having same denominator, isn't it? Take an example, 4 by 30. Okay, and 6 by 30. Okay, these both are what? Like fractions. Yesterday we studied, isn't it? So they are having common denominators. That means same denominators, but the numerators are different. This kind of fractions are called like fractions. Okay, take another example. 4 by 12 and 5 by 16. These are called unlike fractions. Okay, so these are the things this already we learned, like, isn't it? Like fractions, isn't it? So like fractions. So you may like these fractions, isn't it? That's why it's called a like fraction. So you all like these fractions, isn't it? So this is called a like fraction, sir. This is unlike means not same, isn't it? Not like. Okay, so we commonly use dislike, isn't it? Like and dislike, isn't it? But this is unlike. Okay, not same. Okay, unlike. Here you can see that 12 and 16, isn't it? 12 and 16 having different denominators. So these are called unlike and these are called what? Like fractions having same denominators. Okay, so we are going to study about addition of this like fraction. How can we add this like fractions? Very easy. How can we add? To add like fractions, only add the numerator. Only add the numerator and write the same denominator. Write the same denominator. Okay, that means you have to add only what are the numerators there. What is numerator? The numbers above here, isn't it? So just add 4 plus 6. What do you get? 4 plus 6. You get 10. And there write the same denominator. That means 13. So what is your answer? 10 by 13. Very simple, isn't it? So just add the numerator and write the common same denominator. Okay, take another example. If it is a bigger number also, no problem. Okay, just take a 21 by 35 plus, okay, 10 by 35. So this one we need to add. What we have to do? Just add the numerators. 21 plus 10. 21 plus 10. What is 21 plus 1? 31. If you don't know how to add, we can do this way. Okay, 1, 3, 31. Okay, 31. 31 divided by, don't add 35 plus 35. What is the answer? 35. Okay, same. Write the same denominator. Easy. Okay. What about this one? 43 by 97 plus 23 by 97. Okay. 43 by 97 plus 23 by 97. So what do you have to do? We have to add the numerators. 43 plus 23. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 66. Okay. So 3 plus 3, 6. 66 by 97. 66 by 97. This is our answer. So, is there any difficulty? Not difficult. Very easy. If you know the addition, we already started addition, isn't it? So, this only thing we have to just add the numerator and write the same denominator. That is addition of like fraction. Subtraction also same. Now it is subtraction. Subtraction. How can we do? Same way. Just to subtract the numerator and write the same denominator. Understand? For example, okay, this one 25 by 47 minus 12 by 47. Okay, we need to subtract this number. Then what do you have to do? Just to subtract the numerators. 25 minus 12. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, then what is our answer? 13. 13 by 47. 47. Write the same denominator. 47. Okay. So that is the thing. If a question is asked like that, okay, subtract. This is direct. That was previous one was direct question. This is just in a word. Okay, subtract 39 by 68 from 51 by 68. Subtract 39 by 68 from 51 by 68. We have to subtract this one from this. We have to subtract this from this. So which one we have to write first? 39 by 68 or 51 by 68? Which one? Yes, this one. Understand? 51 by 68 have to become, because this is the bigger number, isn't it? 51. We can subtract 39 from this one, isn't it? Okay, we can't write this way. Can we subtract it? No, bigger number have to come first. So when we write the number, we have to write 51 by 68 minus 39 by 68. Understand? Then only we can subtract it. Okay, then we have to, next step is subtract the, it's very same thing that we studied, isn't it? Let's subtract the numerator. 1 minus 9. What is 1 minus 9? 1 minus 9 is not possible. Then borrow from here, it's become 4. This become 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, 12 we will get, isn't it? Yes. So what is the answer? 12 by 68. That's all. So this is the subtraction of like fractions. Okay, and addition and subtraction, that's called. So to add the like fraction or sum of, what is the sum of like that? What is mean by sum? What is the meaning of sum? Sum means what? Sum means something we are adding, that is sum. 4 plus 3. Sum of 4 and 3 is 7. Okay, 4 plus 3. So what is sum of like fractions? How can we write a sum of like fraction? What is sum of like fraction? To find out the sum of like fraction, we have to add the numerator. Sum of numerators by common denominator. Okay, common denominator. Sum of numerators by common denominator. Understand? So what is sum of like, that means what I said, it is 1 by 3 plus 2, not 1 by 3. 1 by 8 plus 4 by 8. Okay, 1 by 8 plus 4 by 8. That is sum of like fractions. Sum of numerators means 4 plus 1. That is 5 by 8. I just wrote in the words. That's only. Okay, don't confuse. Okay. So sum of like fractions. That is this one. Sum of like fraction means we are adding like fractions. So what, to get to the answer, what you have to do? Sum the numerator. Sum of numerators. That is 5 divided by common denominator each. Okay. So that's all. That is addition and subtraction of like fractions. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.